Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best round-cut engagement ring available. The Palm Beach Jewelry Yellow Gold-Plated Round 2.00 Carat Cubic Zirconia Solitaire Engagement Ring. If you're searching for a stunning, affordable ring that combines classic elegance with impressive sparkle, this ring could be exactly what you need. Right from the start, this ring catches your eye with its timeless solitaire design. The simplicity of the single round cubic zirconia stone creates a focal point that radiates sophistication and charm, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate traditional beauty. The center stone weighs a generous 2.00 carats, offering a bold presence on the finger without overwhelming the overall look. Its brilliant cut enhances the stone's ability to catch and reflect light, giving off an eye-catching sparkle that rivals many more expensive options. The ring's band is crafted from yellow gold-plated brass, giving it the luxurious look of gold without the high price tag. This plating is 18 karat, which adds a rich, warm tone that complements the clear cubic zirconia beautifully. The metal finish is polished to a premium shine, ensuring the ring looks elegant and feels smooth and comfortable to wear every day. When it comes to sizing, this ring comes in a range from size 5 through size 12, allowing for a tailored fit that suits many wearers. Though it's not resizable, the availability of multiple sizes makes it easier to find the perfect match for your finger or the finger of your loved one. The ring measures about 18 mm in width and 8 mm in height, giving it a substantial but comfortable feel. It strikes a great balance between being noticeable and wearable, making it ideal for daily wear as well as special occasions. Its lightweight design, weighing only 0.08 ounces, means it won't feel bulky or cumbersome. This engagement ring is not only a symbol of love but also a versatile piece that suits any style, making it a great unisex option. Whether you're proposing, celebrating an anniversary, or simply looking for a beautiful gift to show your commitment, this ring's classic design ensures it fits seamlessly into any jewelry collection. What sets this ring apart is the use of cubic zirconia, which offers a stunning diamond-like appearance without the cost. The 2-carat stone shines brightly with clarity and brilliance, making it an excellent alternative for those who want the look of a diamond but prefer a budget-friendly and ethical option. The setting is a classic prong style, which securely holds the stone while maximizing its exposure to light. This setting style not only enhances the brilliance of the stone but also gives the ring an elegant and refined silhouette. Overall, the Palm Beach Jewelry Yellow Gold-Plated Round 2.00 Carat Cubic Zirconia Solitaire Engagement Ring delivers exceptional value by combining a luxurious appearance with quality craftsmanship. It's a perfect ring for anyone who wants a traditional yet dazzling solitaire ring without breaking the bank. If you're interested in a ring that offers timeless beauty, a brilliant 2-carat round-cut center stone, and an elegant yellow gold-plated finish, this engagement ring is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.